Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network, because Discovery uses local network packets. Once done, sign into the same Google account on your phone and on the TV app. This links homes and subscriptions so the remote works. Next, open the YouTube app on your phone and tap the cast or connect icon in the upper bar. You need to allow any prompts for device discovery, and then you'll see available TVs listed for pairing. After you tap the TV name from the list, the phone sends a pairing request. Accept on the TV if prompted. Once paired, use the phone as a full remote. Play, pause, fast forward, and seek. You can also adjust volume if the app exposes it. To queue videos, tap Add to Queue or Use Playlist, and the TV will play items in order. This avoids interrupting the current video. Make sure you watch the small status icon to confirm the active connection. To finish, stop casting from the phone or use the TV's YouTube app to disconnect. That returns controls to each device locally. If pairing fails, reboot the phone and TV or toggle Wi-Fi. This clears stale network states and forces rediscovery. Also make sure both apps are updated and you're signed into the same Google account. Mismatched accounts cause hidden devices. If problems persist, forget the Wi-Fi on the phone and rejoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.